Hello everyone. Can you guys hear me? What's up, Sheldon? We're also live right now on YouTube as well. Those of you on Discord, if you want to go on there and share some love, you can as well. Only if you really want to. Yeah, so today we're going to be in our public channels, just having a full-on live stream and full live trading session. So welcome everyone. Welcome to the live trading session. Those of you in YouTube, can you guys hear me as well? Let me know in the chat. Those of you on Discord, I'm sure you guys can hear me as well. What's going on, Elaine? How's it going? Okay. Let me share my screen real quick. How's it going, Michael? I hope everyone is doing really well. Let me just adjust this real quick. Right, so the first thing would probably... Jamer, I can't hear you, bro. Oh, wait. Never mind. It was just my audio. My audio was off. I can hear you now. No, I just muted all my audio. Did I just see that right? Sheldon just went to my YouTube right now from Discord. And he only subscribes now. I feel so betrayed, Sheldon. I can't even tell you, dude. You've been on our streams for so long, and you only subscribe now? Dude. I feel so betrayed. It's okay, he's in the inner circle, so he gets a pass on this one for now. But you're lucky. You're lucky you're protected. Right, so we're going to go over the zones and everything in just a second. We do have red folder news, like literally 15 minutes after open. But we do still potentially have opportunities, right? Just because there is news doesn't mean we're not going to trade. We're just not going to trade during the news. Pancake, yesterday we did not take a trade. Like at all. It's freezing in Cape Town. How are you wearing a t-shirt? I run warm, luckily. Yeah, see, I've got a jersey on under this. I'm a pretty warm guy, so I don't have a problem. But yeah, it is actually really cold. Yeah, so basically, guys, like the main rule with the way that we're trading, if there is like really high impact news, we are going to avoid it. But it just depends on what happens with that news, right? So let me just have a look real quick. Gemma, can you have a look at the news real quick? Because I don't see any events scheduled here.
We got exactly at 3:45. We have the S&P Global Manufacturing PMI.
Okay, so
And then
is that red folder?
So it's all orange.
Okay, no. So those are orange folder news events. So yeah, we could have a reaction there, but I'm not expecting it to literally come in with a massive candle up here. Right, where we can't trade, right? That's the main thing. If we get a massive candle like this, how do we trade? There's no structure there to trade, right? We're up here where there's no structure. And then if we try to take bounces off of here or bounces off of here, well, we literally have this massive gap that could get filled, rip right through our stop losses, and yeah, there's no point in doing that. So that's really what we look out for, especially if they're orange, like orange folder news. We can still look for opportunity, right? But when it's red folder, we would prefer to generally just stay as far away as possible. So yeah. So we do have 15 minutes after, and then another 15 minutes after that, there's another release of orange folder news. But price action's been crazy lately. So like we've been having big moves, like you can see here, right? Like we've just been having massive moves at open. So we just need to look out for that, right?
Yeah, CMI on TradingView showing that it's orange, but on Forex Factory is red.
That's 15 minutes off. Oh, yeah, that's at 4, right? So half an hour after open.
Home sales is at 4, but home sales is orange.
Okay, so
CMI is 15 minutes after.
okay, so we do have red folder just after open, 15 minutes after, but we'll see how that impacts. But we definitely don't want to be trading 5 minutes either side. Obviously for props, but not just that, just generally because of price action. So yeah, these are the zones that we have currently. We've also got to look out for all-time highs that just got put in, basically. Unless I'm wrong, wait. I'm pretty sure that is the all-time highs up there. So yeah, you want to be cautious of all-time highs because price action can get weird around there. What you'll also notice is we've had, these big swings overnight, and then we've had now price moving sideways. So, but I won't say that volume is super low. I mean, the last maybe half an hour, it's been pretty low. So we'll see what happens at open. Those of you joining us on YouTube, we are live every single day in Discord, like this. We give our analysis in there. It's completely free to join. You can also access literally our whole backlog of live trading recordings as well. So every single trade we've taken with our private group has been recorded. So there's full transparency. So every single trade I take, we take on stream and then we record it. So there's a full library of that going all the way past, into early last year or mid last year. So wow. So last year was 1 year. That's crazy, bro. And we've pretty much been recording it right from the beginning as well, which is really nice. Thanks, Mariska. Yeah, so it's going to be a tricky one. What we could end up seeing, right, price sweeping this here and then pushing up, which could be a tasty setup. But I mean, what's been happening lately is price has just kind of been picking a direction and just going off the charts, right? So we'll see if we can capitalize on that. The thing is, it's unlikely that we will get a setup before market open, right? So yeah, it's unlikely that we will get that before news. And then after news, we can potentially look at setups. We do at 4, well, half an hour after open, also have an orange folder news event. So we want to be cautious of that.